Hey beauties! If you're all about that minimal effort but still want glowing, healthy skin, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the easiest skincare routine ever, perfect for all skin types and just a few steps to keep you looking fresh without the fuss. Let's get started and glow on the go. Here's an easy step-by-step skincare routine for lazy girls that works for all skin types, along with some product recommendations. 1. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Wet your face, apply a small amount of cleanser, and gently massage for 30 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water. For normal to oily skin, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is the best, and for oily/combo skin, you can use Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. 2. Moisturize. A lightweight moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated without being too heavy. Apply a dime-sized amount of moisturizer to your face and neck. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, for all skin types, especially oily, and CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, for normal to dry skin. 3. Sunscreen. If you're outdoors, it protects your skin from UV damage and prevents aging. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen, about a quarter-sized amount, after moisturizing. Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-In Sunscreen Milk SPF 60 is good for all skin types. And Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, great for all skin types and is makeup friendly. 4. Weekly. Exfoliate once or twice a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and brightens skin. After cleansing, apply an exfoliating scrub or a chemical exfoliant. The ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution is best for all skin types, and Neutrogena Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser, gentle scrub for all skin types. 5. Weekly face mask. For a bit of extra care, use a hydrating or detoxifying face mask once a week. For oily/combo skin, use Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask, and for normal to dry skin, Laneige Water Sleeping Mask is best. Here is a pro tip for all my lazy girls. Keep your cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen in one spot, so it's easier to follow through with your routine. If you're super lazy, stick to cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. Those are the bare essentials. That's it, beauties. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few simple steps and you're all set. If you found this routine helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy beauty tips, and let me know in the comments which step is your fave. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.